everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope you're having a great day. It's pretty sunny here in BC. I hope it's nice where you're at. I have a unboxing, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, got my blade. This is from Samorga. I ordered a Picotin 22 in orange heather to match my orange bag. I have a white one too, but my hubby Ted said white maybe doesn't look the best in your Picotin, so I ordered the orange one, but it's the heather one, which is even better. All right, so it's like that. Comes in a little plastic. Okay. And then they give you a little thank you card, which is nice. And then it came really pretty quick. They make each one by hand, except for the ones that are on clearance, and they're already made up. So yeah, it came less than a month. So that's pretty good. Usually, a long time ago, I've been ordering Samorgas for, I don't know, at least 5 to 7 years. And in the beginning, it took like, I don't know, 3 or 4 months. Now it's less than a month. So yeah, totally recommend it. I have a discount code in my display, so definitely check that out. It does save the tax basically, but it does help. So definitely use it if you want to get a Samorga. I highly recommend them in any bag, but especially your designer bags, because you spend all this money for these bags, even though all my bags are vintage, but they're still in really good condition. But yeah, definitely, I highly recommend Samorga. I know they're a little spendy, but if you're gonna spend $4K for a bag, you could get an organizer. That's kind of my theory on it. All right, so that's what that looks like. And what I might do is I might save this and put the white one in there. And then I can alternate. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Okay. And then it comes bubble wrapped, which is nice. Ted likes to pop the stuff. And this is a really nice one. And everyone gets a little tag. So it says Samorga, and then there's some other information below there. All right, and just stick it in there. So you get one here, which is nice. And then you get 2 on the side there. And you get 2 on the side there. And then you get one over here, basically. And then this says Samorga. And then the bottom, and they're all hand done. They're all hand stitched. Yeah, this is the 2-ply version. They have different ones, but this I think is the best one, especially for a Picotin, because they fall within themselves, so it gives the bag a little bit of structure, and it keeps it clean. All right, so let's see what it looks like in my Picotin, this dust bag that came with it. This is from 2006 in orange. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, here's my orange Picotin, love it. And here's the white Samorga that I'm gonna put in the bag there. And all you do basically is you just pull it out. pretty simple. And I'll pull out what I have in here. So I have my Ray-Bans. I have my handmade Louis wallet. And this is out of recycled Louis bags. And this was handmade by Joyce Bennett. And I'll put her information in the description box. I have a mirror from Goody. These work really good. I highly recommend those. And I have an orange Epi Leather compact zippy wallet from Louis. All right, so I'll stick that in there. And this is the zippy wallet that I use in my Alma. But I'm looking for a Hermes wallet orange. So we'll see what happens. All right, so that's that. So I'll go ahead and stick that in there. Yep. Yeah, so this is a better color, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's better than the white, right?
Yeah, right, big time.
Yeah, so thanks for suggesting that.
Mm.
All right, so we'll stick that in there. This is what my Ray-Bans look like. These are called Erica. So these are pretty cool. All right, so I'll stick those in a pocket. And if you're gonna get any sunglasses, you definitely want to get a case. All right, I'm gonna turn some air on. Okay, and this is my Goody mirror that I got in Hope, $1.25. Stick that in a pocket. And then this is the handmade out of recycled old Louis bags. She'll make you whatever you want, which is pretty nice. Okay, stick that in there. All right, and then what I do is I pinch it in the middle. And then I just put it in. And they fit like perfect for your bag. There you go, pretty easy. Yeah, that looks a lot better. And that's what it looks like inside the bag. See, it goes on top of each other. Yeah. Yeah, you can kind of see a little bit better. But yeah, it gives it, see, it gives it a lot more structure because it's so floppy that it, see? There you go, you get kind of a better look. All right, so that is my unboxing of my Picotin 22 Samorga organizer. And I'm on the hunt for an orange Hermes wallet. So we'll see if I ever get to find one. They're very hard to find in good condition. A lot of them that I found are missing things, and when I talked to Hermes about getting like another dust bag or like a box, they won't even sell you one. So if anyone is looking for anything like that from Hermes, they will not help you out with that. So anyways, until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. You have a great day, guys. Bye now. Thanks for watching.